To get us started, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the highlight clips from our most recent playoff game while I'm talking about our team. To say I am extremely proud of this year's football team would be an understatement. Over half of this year's team is either new to the school or new to the sport of football. We had to find a new way to become and stay competitive. We were unable to prepare during the summer months where over 75% of our work is done and the season preparations are made. However, they showed up every Monday during the season ready to get back to work. Our team is very young too, but they were able to get on the field, make mistakes and learn, as well as grow and have some success while the other teams were laden with experienced and older players. We did have several of our older players step up and lead the way as they chose to teach by example. I expect with the experience all these guys obtained this year, along with the hard work I know that they will put into the off-season and summer, our team will be very competitive next year. Although we still have a lot of work to do, the team's ability to tackle improved tenfold during the season. They were also able to increase their football IQ by a lot and cut back on needless penalties, which shows growth and understanding. We also won more games this year than anyone on the outside expected. I'm excited and I look forward to working with this great group of student athletes again. Here is our team. 9th graders, Sam Cannell, Chance Ruiz, J.T. Gay, Patrick McArdle, Fripp McDougall, Brendan Reynolds, Tanner Rush, manager Rachel Gay. Sophomore, Bryson Cronin, Emery Doss, Ethan Fender, Jack McDonald, Devin Newman, Jack Risch, and Solomon Willis. Juniors, Adam Bussey, Charles Cannell, Connor Luce, Andrew McKinney, Nima Sharma, and Will Monig. And our seniors, we have Bailey Edwards, manager Mary Frances Ingram, Grant Kennedy, and manager Taylor Nicastro. All right, our awards. All region honorable mention. These are players that had at least one vote from at least one region coach. That consists of Jack Risch, Solomon Willis, Andrew McKinney, and Nimai Sharma. All region awards. These are players that had at least 2 or more region coaches vote for them. Junior Adam Bussey, Junior Charles Cannell, Sophomore Bryson Cronin, and Sophomore Emery Doss. Lastly, our 2 team awards, which we consider the Cavalier Awards. These were voted on by our coaches and players. Calling the first one the Most Valuable Player Award, and this goes to Adam Bussey, and then our Coaches Award goes to Charles Cannell. Play of the Year, baby. Run him down, McKinney. Atta boy. We get a fumble the next play and win.
Good afternoon, I am Jeannie Williams, and I have the privilege and honor of introducing and celebrating your 2020 Varsity Football Cheer Squad. This fall season has proven to be a challenge for many reasons. However, we could not be more impressed with what this small but mighty squad has accomplished. Despite the fact that we were unable to have our week-long summer camp as usual and our summer practices, These girls definitely raised the bar on the level of difficulty when it came to stunting, and they prepared more dances than in any season before. Great job, girls. They came to practice with a positive attitude, with determination to grow and to be successful, and the willingness to be flexible regardless of the circumstances. They really rolled with the punches, and we appreciated all of their hard work. We shared many laughs as we tried new things, and they always supported one another every step of the way. Coach Long and I truly enjoyed the time that we spent with each of these young ladies, and we're very excited that we only have to say goodbye to 2 seniors. We're super excited and looking forward to next year, and we can't wait to get this team back together and continue to grow our program and be successful each and every step of the way. So thank you, ladies, for making this season one that we'll remember. We appreciate all of your hard work. And a special thank you to the football team for allowing us to be a part of your Cavalier family every Friday night. Now, we'd like to introduce to your 2020 varsity cheer squad. Sophomores, Gracie Hernandez, Camille Mosier, and Lila Pidcock. Juniors, Mary Margaret Barbie, Sage Connolly, Grace Ellis, Ruthie Magruder, Sophia Pidcock, and Bella Richardson. And our 2 seniors and co-captains, Miss Emmy Blanchard and Miss Emma Kendrick. Now, we could give every one of these girls an award for their hard work and dedication, but we chose 2 very special young ladies to give a Coach's Award to this year. Our first Coach's Award goes to a special young lady. She's filled with enthusiasm and loves to laugh, but also knows when to take things seriously in order to accomplish whatever the goal is that we may be working on. She takes extra time to work with new members of our squad and communicates well with coaches to make sure that we stay on track and are putting together our best work as a team. Her thoughtfulness and positivity shine in everything that she does. This year's first Coach's Award goes to the team captain who can base like nobody's business, Miss Emmy Blanchard. And our second Coach's Award goes to another exceptional young lady who takes on any role asked of her with a smile on her face. She is one of the most versatile members of our squad. She takes the feedback that she's given and uses it to help her team continue to grow and be successful, especially when learning new dances and working on stunts. She's willing to move positions and switch with others and fill in whenever and wherever she's needed. She always supports her teammates with both kindness and positive energy. Our second Coach's Award goes to Miss Mary Margaret Barbie. Congratulations, girls, and thanks again for a great season.
All right, that does it for upper school fall sports. Make sure you get your uniforms in, anything else, updated physicals, and we'll enjoy watching the swim and basketball season. Take care. Thanks for everything.